channel. It's me, Lasagna with Miss Styles Handmade Creations, and today I come to you with another unboxing. I have these, like I said, I've been ordering all the time. When I see the ones I want come available, I am getting them. And I can't remember which one this is, but I got several over here in the corner. But we're just gonna keep doing them when they come in. Got some that are still on what is it when you order them, back order, pre-order, I forgot what it's called. Oh, I have a slip. Oh, I know which one this is now. Got the slip. Remember, when you get the slip, it gives you a discount code. I wanted this one for a long time. Y'all can tell it is a square. I wanted him. He is just too cute. Oh, I didn't cut it. Oh my goodness. I have been keeping the boxes as well, just in case I gift these to someone. I can roll it back up and it'll have their, you know, the box. But so I've been stacking them up on top of my loft, and my husband's like, "Oh my gosh, girl, you got too many of those." All right, let's get into this baby. There it is. Put this box to the side. All right, this is a square. Of course, this is a square. Contents in here. Got the boat, the two things of heart wax, a 4-placer, some baggies, the squeeze, the squishy, the blue pen, and your very, very sharp tweezers, which the top has come off. Let's move this to the side. Got your one sticker here, and here is the image. Rainbow Little Dragon Z by Sheena Pike. It is a square, 51 by 61 centimeters, which is 20 inches by 24 inches. Isn't he adorable? There are 48 colors with 2 ABs. Let's get into this baby. I've been wanting him for a minute, and he was sold out for a while, out of stock. He been sold out of stock for a while. Look at these colors. Of course, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Instructions, step-by-step instructions with a coupon code inside. All right, beautiful canvas. I'm going to roll it the other way. He is too freaking cute. Alright, there we go. I've seen someone do it as well, and I was like, oh my gosh, I can't wait till he comes back available. Bam. Look how cute, guys. Are you kidding me? Look how cute he is. Wow. Let me see, is that too much shine? Let me move that light for y'all. Okay. I hope y'all can see that. Look how cute he is. And the canvas itself is glittery. You can see it from the sides here. Oh my goodness. Y'all know I like to open it up. Yes. Flatten it down. Do all sides. There's our sticky test, drill fill. Come on now, look at those images. Very clear. There's the information, so you can see. It's got ABs, it's a square, and it has, name is Rainbow Little Dragon Z by Sheena Pike and Diamond Art Club. Love, love, love. These colors are so bright, guys, without the drills. She is adorable. Come on. So I can hang her up with my other dinosaur. Yes. Oh my goodness. Can y'all see that glitter on here already? Diamond Art Club, y'all have outdone yourself again. Look how cute. Can y'all see that glitter? Oh my goodness. Very cute. Of course, again, you got your schematics here on the top left. And on the bottom right, there are 48 colors. Let's go ahead and get into these colors. Oh my gosh, look at the tattoo. He's got a rainbow tattoo. He, she, whatever. It's a she. Look at my lashes. Beautiful. Let's look at these drills. All right. Love it. I've been wanting to see these. Okay. How many trains do we have tonight? It is nighttime right now, guys. Got home from work and I'm like, oh, I gotta open it. Let's see. We have 1, 2, oh, what's that? 3 trains, guys. So let's start with this one. And I'm gonna look at this one first because it's by itself. This is white. 38.65. We got a full bag of white. 38.65. These are the big bags. 8.23. 208. 165. Wow, that's pretty. 939. We got 2 of 939. That's a very dark blue. 550. One of my favorite purples. 322. And 3 bags of 310. 3 bags of 310, guys. Then this one, 38.37, 334, 8.98. Oh, AB. Oh, look how pretty. When you look at this color, it's that lime green with ABs on it. Look at that shine. What? 135. Got a medium-sized bag. It makes me think it's glow in the dark. Beautiful. 37.55, 209, 36.07, 333, 210, 797. It's a lot of purples. 603, 977, 340, 762. Oh, I don't think I've ever seen 762. It's like a dull white. It's not as bright as the other whites. 33.25. Oh, another AB. This is yellow. Another light yellow. 129. Very pretty. I love the AB coating. Yellow, and it's a half bag. 775. 30.24. And okay, and then 938. 38.60. The last bags here. Beautiful pink. 718. 780. Ooh, that green. 704. 38.64. 327. 796. It's a lot of purples in this one. 783. 703. 3705. Oh, that's pretty. Look like strawberry. 498. 832. 954. Another mint green. 602. I think I got ABs in 602. I think I do. 3861. 601. 993. 470. 3823. 3371. And 915. Yes. So let's see where those ABs go, guys. All right. So the first AB is 129. I'm very shocked we don't have 141. You know we normally get 141 in every canvas. But this time we don't have it, but I might add it to it. Y'all know I got plenty. I might add to it. Because there is white in here. And that will probably be cute around the little clouds and all of that. So I'll see once I get to working on it. Okay, so 1 is 129, and that is that light yellow. So number 1s, let's look for number 1s. We'll start at the top here. I see some here. Number 1s. 1s here, this very light color here. Ones. Let's see where else. See some ones here. Down here in one of his wings. Ones here. Couple of ones sprinkled down here. And then for the twos, we could start from the bottom. There is some here. Sprinkled right here. The little lime green in the bottom of his foot. Her foot. A lot here. There's a whole patch right here. This whole star, well, not all of it. This edge right here is not. The edge of this, the wing, this whole star here, outlining here. Oh, twos is everywhere. That's why we got that large bag. In the rainbow, there's some here. Oh, that'd be nice to put a white AB as a twinkle in her eye. I might do that, guys. You got some twos here. Twos. No, that's not twos. That looked like it for a minute. There are twos here. Oh, a lot of two here. All this lime green y'all seeing, that's all twos, guys. And right here. Oh my gosh, he is too. She is too cute. I keep saying he, but it's a she. Eyelashes, beautiful. Oh my goodness, I have waited for her. And she's not too big, guys. It's a nice size. But y'all let me know what you think. She is so beautiful. There she is again, kitted up. Oh, not kitted up. The portrait of her. Y'all let me know what you think. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, guys, bye-bye.